How are you?
Good to see you. How are you?
I'm so good and long time no see, dear. I really miss you.
It's good to see you. It's good to be back. Wally, what time is it right now in Bangladesh?
8:40 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, so it's
Is
morning. Everybody should be getting up.
yeah, your country time now?
My country, what time is it? 9:40. Getting to be 10 o'clock.
Okay, night time. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good to be back. What have you been up to, Waleed?
I'm very busy. That's why I joined a office, so I don't have enough time to live. What
Me
about
neither.
you?
I went back to college for cybersecurity.
So,
I'm graduating in May, but this month I take tests to get certifications to be able to work. I don't have to have the degree to work. I just want the degree.
are you practicing?
Cybersecurity? I don't know. Do you know any good websites?
No, I don't have.
No. Oh, like studying? Yeah, I've been studying. I'm pretty confident that I'll do well. When I was in college this last semester, I actually made the honors list.
Okay. And
Right now, doctor, I work in healthcare. I'm a home health aide. I go to people's
time,
houses and take care of them.
how much time you take to get a certificate or you complete your degree?
I complete my degree in May, but when I take the exams, I will get the certificate if I pass. That's what I was going to school for. Like um to get the knowledge that I needed to pass their certifications. Certificate certification.
So, what is the requirement to get passed in the exam?
I'm not sure because I'm not sure. I think you have to make a 90%. I'm gonna look it up because it's a big deal because it's a very fragile thing that we're dealing with. There's 90 questions on the test. I don't know what you have to make to pass. I should probably look that up, but I think it's a 90 grade.
Pass the exam is very difficult or easy? What you told me you are very much confident.
Oh, okay. The exam is scored on a scale of, so I need a 70. I need a 75% or more. That's what I need to pass.
If you get certificate and it help you,
It will help me to get a better job.
really it helps to get a better job.
Yeah.
It also
So I can work from home.
and it also increase your salary.
Yes.
That's great, and it's really good news if you get. And I pray for you. If you get, I'm really happy.
Well, thank you, Waleed. How has work been at the office? Oh,
Yeah, it's good. Everything is good nowadays.